One of my favorite dishes, paella. There's a lot of heat variance in a dish like this, but I'm gonna start off on a high heat because I'm searing chicken. That's that high heat at work. That's gonna give me browning and searing. That's what I'm looking for here. I got some onions here and some red pepper. I'm gonna add my chorizo, and I've got some finely diced garlic here. The great thing about cooking with an open flame versus electric is I know immediately visually what temperature my pan is at. Next up, my arborio rice. Crushed tomatoes, chicken stock. You could add a veggie stock if you like. I'm gonna go for a medium heat down to a low heat. I want that to simmer. I want that arborio rice to suck up all that beautiful chicken, chorizo flavor in the stock. Just add the shrimp and the peas, the last 3 minutes, stir them in. There it is, one of my favorite one-pan dishes, paella. Chicken, shrimp, chorizo, bursting with flavor. 30 minutes, dinner done.